Welcome to Blueprints.
In Core Level 2, we focus on materials, specifically how Blueprints represents material properties and how you can access and use them. First, I import two things from the Materials module, one class that represents a steel material, and one that defines the steel strength class. Next, I create a steel material and call it S235. While typing this line, I'm saying create a steel material and set its strength class to the S235 standard. Only one input required. Everything else comes from the standard definition of the material. Let's print a few basic properties. Each line simply asks the material for a value it already knows. For example, its name, its density, its elastic modulus, the Poisson ratio, and the shear modulus. There are no formulae here, we're just obtaining the material properties. What is more complicated is, for example, the yield strength, which is thickness dependent. At a thickness between 0 and 40 mm, the function will give 235 megapascals. Between 40 and 80, it gives 215. Thicker than 80 mm, it will yield an invalid result. And a negative value for the thickness is of course also invalid. These tests are automatically done when checking out a material. And the same goes for the ultimate strength, providing different results for different thickness values. Same pattern, different property. If your project is special and you need to override a certain property, that's also possible in Blueprints. We can override various parameters, such as the elastic modulus. You can give it a custom value. We just rerun the script and all results are updated automatically. That's the core idea of Blueprints Level 2, an easy way of defining a material